Hi guys. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use Hootsuite to make your coaching life so much easier. So for those of you that are asking, what's Hootsuite? Hootsuite is an automated marketing tool. So instead of you being a slave to your computer and having to, as soon as the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning, you've got to run to your computer so you can post to your challenge group. Instead of doing that, you can upload your entire month's worth of posts to your Hootsuite so that they automatically are scheduled to go out on the day and the time that you choose. It is a game changer for you, especially if you have another job, you're a mom, you're busy, and like I said, nobody should be a slave to their computer in this business. You don't want to have to, first things first, run to your computer and post something in the morning. Every once in a while, I do choose to post specifically in my groups because A, I want to be super present and in the moment, or B, I want more accountability for myself to be posting and to be showing up every day. But most of the time, I choose to use Hootsuite because it makes my life easier, and then I can go in later on and check in with the group and respond to all of the messages that people have been, or all the comments that people have made in the group. So how does that happen? So first of all, you need to sign up for a free Hootsuite account. You can have a free account and do up to 2 streams, which means 2 groups, without paying $1. So until you are at a point where you want to have multiple groups where you are automating schedules and posts, you can use the free one. So let me show you how. I'm going to share my screen. And okay, so here you can see that I am in my Hootsuite dashboard, and you'll see that I already have one group pre-scheduled here, and that is our Shine Bright Coach Basics training that Katie and I do together. So I have all of my posts already scheduled and ready to go. So how do I get another one? Well, first things first is I want to add a social network. You can do multiple social media. You can do Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, WordPress, or Instagram, and Twitter. And I always use Facebook because that's where I do most of my stuff. Everything else, I'm pretty present and do it elsewhere. Or do it on the spot. So here you'll see all of the groups that I am in. These are the groups that I am in charge of, that I'm the admin to. And you'll see I have Shine Bright Coach Basics checked, and I also have one of the final Summer Slim Downs checked. So I have, again, you can do up to 2 streams for free without paying $1, which is going to make your life easier. So I'm going to finish. I select one of those. Let's say one of those wasn't selected. Then I just select it. But I'm going to finish importing. And I'm going to hit OK. So now that I have those 2 as an option, now I need to add the actual stream. Well, I already have, this is a stream right here. I already have the Shine Bright Coach Basics stream. So the next stream I want to add is also through Facebook. And if I click on this, select a profile and drop down, I want to do the final Summer Slim Down, the one that I just selected. So, and I always choose to be able to view the scheduled one so that I can see what that looks like. But you can have on the screen your timeline or the activity, whichever one you choose. So I can already see that it populated in the background, and I can exit out. And here it is. So here is the final Summer Slim Down stream. So now what? Now I want to add some of the posts so that they go out. How do you do that? Well, first things first, here is where you compose your message. So here's my tip. When I went and uploaded all of my Shine Bright Coach Basics ones, I started and I pinned it, and you can see the pin facing down. Well, now that I already have those, I want to unpin and I want to unfavorite. There, they all look the same. Now I want to select Final Summer Slim Down, and I want to pin it, and I want to star it. That means everything that I do in here is going to automatically go to this one. Otherwise, what I've done in the past is if you don't select this option, you end up posting things to the wrong group, and then you're so confused because you just didn't even realize it. So there's my tip for you, is to pin it, star it, and everything else you put in here is going to automatically go to that, but you only want that one that you're working on right now starred. Okay, so now what do? I go to my script, and I know that the last one I posted today was this one, day 9. So tomorrow is day 10, and it's Wednesday. So I'm going to select the message. I'm going to copy paste, and then I'm going to go back to my Hootsuite account, and I'm going to paste it in here. And I'm going to make sure that it all looks pretty. It looks good. Okay, great. And then I also had a picture there. And in my scripts that I use, I always save the site that it's on. And then I'm going to add the link here. I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to hit that magic little button that says shrink. And here it goes. It's generating that picture. And then you can see that that picture is going to come up. Now, because you're using this as a tool, sometimes it does look a little bit funky. It does look a little bit changed, but sometimes I choose not to do the pictures through Hootsuite, and sometimes I do. But I always make sure that I erase the web address. I'm sorry, I can't even think. You can have it there, but it does distort it a little bit, but still, to me, it's better than having nothing. So the next thing you want to do is make sure that you go to the date. And I want to select that that's going to go out tomorrow, August 19th. So I select that, and it changes up here, and I want it to go out at 6:05 a.m. You want to select that. If you want an email message, you can certainly do that, but I don't, because I do them every day and I usually have multiple groups, so I don't do that. The only downside to that is sometimes, every once in a while, it will disconnect you to your group, and then your posts are not going to go out unless you're reconnected. But I want to just double check. I'm in the final summer slim down. I know that I want it to go out tomorrow morning at 6:05 a.m. I'm going to schedule, and then you will see it auto-populate right here. Okay, so now I'm on a roll, and I want to go ahead and do the next day so that I can get that in. So I'm going to do day 11. I'm going to copy and paste this message into the next day. Make sure that it looks good, because sometimes it does kind of get funky when you paste it to the next one. And then I'm going to select the photo, which is all about water consumption. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it into the link generator. I'm going to shrink it and wait for it to come up. And then it looks like it's not quite there. I'm going to make sure that I schedule it for the 20th. Oh, what the heck? Let's do 6:05 again, a.m., and I schedule. And then you will see that the next post is there. So I can see here at 6:05 on August 19th, this post is going to go out. At 6:05 August 20th, this post is going to go out. And this is the group it's going to go in. So you can sit here and do the rest of your month all in one shebang. However, I just got wind that there is a tool that you can use through Hootsuite that you can basically create almost like an Excel spreadsheet, and where you just upload the one document and Hootsuite automatically reads it and figures out which days to post which things. So like a day 1, day 2, day 3, just like you have in your document, you can also have Hootsuite figure that out. Now, I just heard about this yesterday, and I'm super excited about it. If any of you know how to use it, please raise your hand and let us know in the team so that we can all start using that, because that would even save so much more time. I highly recommend to use this tool because it will save you time, and it will save you energy, and it will clear up your time to do more business building activities. Work smart. I always say work hard, but if you're going to work hard, also work smart. And this is just one of those working smarts. It takes a little bit of time to learn, but it is so worth it in the end to figure out exactly how to be more efficient with your time, because the time that I spend on Sundays before my challenge group starts uploading that, if I now learn how to use that even automated tool to quickly do it already, oh my gosh, it's going to make my life even more easier, and I can't wait to learn how to use that as well. So Hootsuite, that's it for you. That's how it works. It does take a little bit of time. Every once in a while, you might mess up posting to the group without hitting the date and the time or whatever, but I promise you, the more that you use it, the better you get, and it is so worth the time to invest in learning how to use it. If you have any questions, post below, ask me, post in our team page, and I'm happy to help. All right, guys, have a great day and go out there and change some lives.